But now, men were changed to fit this circumstance. In my opinion, people who would live in Mars, they must be evolved to fit Mars circumstance. Therefore, we can develop our new civilizations in Mars. And the second, many scientists have studied and exploited mineral, oil, and marine resources. The result, we have developed the industries and makes the rest of our lives easier and more pleasant. Especially we have many kinds of transportation like airplane, cars, ships, submarine, and space shuttle using natural resources. And we can go wherever we wanted to go. And on July 20th, 1969, do you know the Apollo 11? Apollo, yeah. The Apollo 11 space flight landed on the moon. The commander was Neil Armstrong. You know Neil Armstrong?
Yes.
And he was the first human to walk on the moon. And then since Apollo 11, more than have been on the moon. Since Apollo 11, many astronauts are going there, went to there, and they work on the moon.
Have gone there.
Yeah, have gone there. And still now, space shuttle is moving around the Earth to observe the Earth and universe. Also, we realized that Mars is like a twins of the Earth, because Mars is the most likely to have the substantial quantities of water, making it the best bet for substantial life.
Sustaining life.
Sustaining life. Therefore, it is worth challenging. So, and then third, and before third, I have a question more. Have you ever heard the Earth is coming to end soon? Really? What kinds of?
Kind of. Some social scariest said something like that. I had just.
That's right. I researched something. I will tell you about the stories. Before the stories, there are tons of industrials and housing houseways, and then there are many air, water, and land air pollutions from factories and transportations. Also, the deforestation are caused global warming so rapidly. So, moreover, many scientists said abnormal change of weather is one of proof of global warming. They announced that many kinds of species would become extincted. Also, it would affect human beings' life. Even if human beings' lives, even if they don't know exact time, but the Earth would get destroyed soon. And there are other hypotheses. For example, asteroids and comets. Do you know asteroids and comets in the universe will hit the Earth very soon, and it may be cause huge explanations and extinctions. And do you know Nostradamus? Nostradamus is astrologist. He predicted that the world would end within 21st century. And he said, and another example in 9th century.
Example?
For example?
Another example?
Yeah, another example. In 9th century, Maya civilizations was destroyed by deforestations and drought. But however, the Maya had had developed sophisticated calendar. In the calendar, the world would be destroyed from something in 2012. They said. So I think it would be possible. It is possible to happen in the near future. So to summarize, we are adaptable and challengeable. Moreover, the Earth is no immortality.
It's not immortal?
Yeah, immortality.
Immortal?
Yeah,
Immortal?
Immortality?
Yeah, immortality.
The Earth,
But we
I
are
think,
mortal, not immortal.
she said the Earth is not immortal.
Oh,
Yeah, not immortality.
Yep.
Not immortal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. That's why we have to consider to settle in Mars. As a matter of fact, it will be very hard to adjust a new environment. However, don't you think it's time to start to settle in Mars? If we started to move there now, after 100 years, mankind will exist two planets between the Earth and Mars with the cooperations. Thank you for listening.
Mhm.
Thank you.